Hi guys. Welcome back to Murusama. Godtier animation. Most of us are already impressed by some amazing animation made with incredible effect, drawing, technology, and arts. I will present to you the top 10 Godtier animations, where the animator forgets about the budget. But before we start the video, for you who are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to help this channel grow. So without wasting your time, let's start. Number 10. The God of Highschool. The God of Highschool, an anime based on a webtoon, and animated by Mappa. This anime have a lot of scenes that are enjoyable to watch. The high school tournament turns into a fight between God borrowed power user. The plot is slightly different from the original, but for animation, I have no complaints. Number 9. Magia record, Mahou Shoujo. Yacho, one of the magical girls, feels angry, cause her best friend Iroha becomes the victim of the Magia plan and has an argument with Mifwiu. Yacho starts to go out of control and attacks Mifwiu. I think most of you think that a magical girl is like a girl band or an idol, and the anime is just a boring one. Let me know how you feel after watching this amazing fight. Number 8. Eren no Shoubotai. Even at the beginning of this anime, they already show how incredible their animation is, the firefighter fighting a human torch that causes by a firebug. Shinra is a new member of the firefighter team that has a face like smiling devil. Even when he is sad he still looks the same. Number 7. No Game No Life Zero. The movie takes place before Sara and Zero come to this new world. Skvi, an ex-machina helping humans race to fight for their place in that world. The fight happens while Shui tries to plant a detonator, and Jibril from the angel race detects something is in their territory. Number 6. Attack on Titan, Levi vs. Kenny Squad. In Season 3 of the Attack on Titan, Eren and Historia got kidnapped by Kenny's squad. Levi and the rest of the team trying to rescue Eren and Historia. But Kenny can read Levi's plan, so the clash happens between Kenny's squad and Levi. Number 5. Fate Grand Order Babylonia. Two of the three goddess alliances in the old world already joined Fujimaru, the last master of fate, to beat the last goddess Tiamat. They have an all-out war. Quetzalcoatl uses her ultimate skill to beat the Tiamat. Number 4. Jujutsu Kaisen. Well, who doesn't know this anime with the super cool character Gojo Satoru, the strongest? Every week before the anime airing, I'm pretty sure all of us keep rechecking the time cause none of us that want to miss the new episode of this anime. This part I'll just show you. How cool is the animation from Gojo's skill?
少し乱暴しようか。術式順転青、術式反転赤。紫。
Number 3. Boku no Hero Academia. The world where most people have a superpower and become heroes. Well, we all can predict how it's going to be. The anime go in with a lot of training and fighting between the hero and the villain that have a fantastic animation, especially when Midoriya fight with Shoujo. Number 2. Demon Slayer. Well, I know guys, recently the Demon Slayer Entertainment District fight has super amazing animation, but I'll put that in my next list. For this one, I will put the first season of Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer, with an amazing plot, animation, and drama. Number 1. Fate Stay Night Heaven's Feel. Heaven's Feel, a movie from Fate Stay Night that has 3 parts of the movie. The animation is godly, the story is amazing, I don't have any words to describe how amazing is the movie. Everything was so smooth and perfect. That's the part 1 of Godtier animation. Don't forget to comment below if you have more suggestion. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys.